Market experts accept ARV could reach $0 2025. Bearish Arava market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Arava presentation. The computerization of numerous areas in the worldwide market has developed quickly throughout the years as the industrialization of, in a real sense, each part of human existence became typical, like food administration, transportation, trade, and the travel industry. This progress has helped the general advancement of significant pieces of the market and the consistent mix of the conventional monetary market with the computerized resources industry. Tokenization of these modern cycles has turned into an essential element in empowering the development of the area in man-made reason, correspondences, and so forth. One of these tokens is the Arava coin. Arava is viewed as a cordiality token for travelers, intended to make a broad informal community of elements inside the area like lodgings or Airbnb, cafes, and touring, giving a consistent encounter to the typical market client. In this video, we assess Arava cost forecasts from 2022 to 2030 with the guide of verifiable information and high-level specialized examination devices like activity RSI, obstruction level, MIST, support levels, unbiased extreme oscillator, and different variables. What will be ARV least cost esteem, the typical exchanging cost, and most extreme cost esteem in the following 2 or 3 months? And does it make a productive venture? For what reason would it be advisable for you to purchase Arava regardless of the cost variances in the digital money market? When contrasted with the general crypto market feeling, the ARV market cap is by all accounts doing all around contrasted with the other computerized monetary forms. So what are the Arava cost forecasts? What is Arava? Arava is a BEP20 token sent off on the Binance Chain organization by Arava Co. that objectives the travel industry and cordiality area while pursuing the worldwide reception of the computerized government capital. ARV has become one well-known token from the principal quarter of 2022 regardless of the variances in the crypto market. It has worked for the movement organizations, and worldwide the travel industry specialist co-ops repeated on clients' past encounters and criticism. A voyager can make appointments with the digital currency while getting compensated for dropping input and sharing quick satisfy. Arava is supporting the concentrated combination of cryptographic forms of money into the daily existence of an ordinary person while offering the customers a mind-blowing experience and quick installment network with their digital currency. As indicated by the ARV network engineer, the vacationer business faces significant difficulties, similar to the need to convey cash and the misfortunes brought about due to trade rates. Arava will dispose of these difficulties and make voyaging simple and useful. The organization's primary point is to facilitate the expense of executing a high measure of cash while keeping up with the significant level security that the blockchain gives. They offer an answer for an expensive issue in the worldwide friendliness economy, which likewise incorporates the consistent trade of neighborhood monetary standards before a client is taken care of. Arava key examination. Starting from the making of the social money Arava coin, the web-based entertainment presence has been great in view of its creative assistance and ideas with the dynamic local area of in excess of 200,000 holders. As of late, ARV was recorded on significant trades, including LBank, SushiSwap, DSTac, Whitebit, 1inch Organization, XT.com, Hotbit, PancakeSwap, Asbit, Dodo BSC, and Probit worldwide. They have facilitated numerous occasions that title the development and coordination of blockchain innovation into the business and have since collaborated with critical organizations in the area. Arava has collaborated with the Worldwide the Travel Industry Gathering and World the Travel Industry Discussion Foundation, 2 organizations that were made to universally support the travel industry, social exercises. The numerous occasions that have been facilitated in the primary quarter of 2022 were worried about the revolutionization of the travel industry and travel area that executed the blockchain, expanding the extensive variety of installment decisions for explorers. Arava current cost. Arava is at present worth $0. ARV has moved 1.91% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,143,328. Arava is at present positioned 846 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $5,816,282 USD. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Arava market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Arava Value Forecast 2022. Arava, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ARV cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ARV is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Areva Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Areva ARV cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of a RV will before long outperform $0. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the ARV's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ARV will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Areva Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. ARV might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ARV is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0. 2024. Areva Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Areva effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the ARV coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ARV will be green in 2025. The ARV is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Areva Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ARV cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Besides, ARV has a greatest value worth of $0. Areva Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. In the event that ARV figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help ARV needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Areva Value Expectation 2028. While ARV is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0. 2028. Areva Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Areva will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Areva Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme ARV cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And numerous